Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021's Skill Approaches Chapter 2 Skill Revenue 2.1. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step and step number 1 is open the start Excel 2021 Skill Review 2.1. The file will be renamed automatically, included your name. Change the project file name, director do so, your instructor and save it. So I have already downloaded the Excel 2022-2021 in Skill Review Chapter 2 and click the enable editing. I have already clicked the enable editing, and next is question number 3 is if you if a group title is not visible ribbon in Excel and click the Excel menu or select the reference to open the Excel preferences dialog box and click the view buttons and check groups title checkbox under the ribbons. So preferences and click the view buttons, and next is in group title checkbox, click the group title checkbox, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is merge and center the worksheet title and subtitle across the A1 and H1. So copy the range and paste the range, press centers, go to the home tabs and go to the envelopes and click the merge and centers, and merge and center the title and subtitles. And next is A2 to A2 and go to the home tabs, go to the lemon groups and click the merge and centers. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 3 part A and select the cell A1 to H1 on the home tabs, alignment groups and click the merge and center. So copy the range and paste the range, press centers, go to the home tabs, go to alignment groups and click the merge and centers. And next is on the home tabs in the alignment groups, click the merge and center buttons and select the range A2 to H2. To H2 and press centers and alignments. And next is on the home tabs, alignment groups and click the merge and center button. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is apply the title style to the main worksheet and select the merge cell. So copy the A1 to H1, press centers, and next is on the home tab in the style group and click the cell style and click the title cell styles. So go to the home tabs, go to the style groups and click the cell style and apply the title cell styles, and next is apply the ASCENT5 cell style to the worksheet in the subtitle. So select the A2 to H2, copy the range and paste the range, press centers, and next is on the home tab in the style groups and click the cell style and click the ASCENT5 cell style. Go to the home tabs, go to the style groups and click the ASCENT5 cell styles. ASCENT5 style, click OK. ASCENT5 cell styles. And next is so question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is there are extra cells to left of the patient name and daily cost and delete them and select the cell B3 to F4, copy the range and paste the range, press centers, and next is on the home tab in the cell groups and click the delete button. On the home tabs in the cell groups and click the delete button. So go to the home tabs and cell groups and click the delete cells, click OK. next is the patient name would look better aligned at the right side of the cell, and select the cell B3. So type the B3 presenters and the home tabs in the alignment groups and click the align right button. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the align right button. And next is question number 8 is question number 8 is format the pattern name and daily cost label with the holding and blue color and select the cell A3 to A4. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. And next is A3 to A4 on the home tab, font groups and click the bold. Home tabs and font groups and click the bold. So go to the home tabs and go to the click the bold. Font is bold, and on the home tabs in the font groups click the font color button arrow and select the turquoise text 2 color in the fourth column, fourth color left in the first row under the theme colors. Font colors button, the fourth color first row. So font colors and first row, click OK. Bold and font color button, this text 2, click OK. And next is use the copy the formatting to apply the label formatting to the data tables adding A6 to S6. If necessary, click A3 or A4. So A3 or A4, and home tabs and click the group and click the copy. Tabs and click the copy. And next is click the A6 and drag the S6 to apply the formatting. A6, drag to the A6, drag by the formatting in cell S6. S6. And next is add the border band data table header to the separate title format. The border should be same color in the font if necessary. Select the cell A6 to S6. Paste the range A6 to S6 and home tabs and click the border button and more border if necessary in cell A6 to S6. In the format cell, border tabs colors the text 2. So go to the home tabs and click the borders and more border and border color, click OK. In the first row, fourth color and click the border area diagram and click OK. And next is the data row 14 are misplaced or belong the data table and cut and insert the cut cell above row 19 and select the cell A40 to H40. Now copy the ray and paste the ray, press enter on the home tabs and clipboard and click the cut button. Click the cut button and click the cell A9. So select the A9, press enter and home tabs, cell groups and insert button and insert the cut cell. So right click and insert the cut cell. So question number 11 is complete, and we move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is apply the note cell style note in cell A13. So select the A13, press enter, and select the A13, the home tab, style groups, and click the cell style button and click the node cell style. Home tabs and click the cell style and click the node cell style. Okay. The node text much longer than with cell A13 and apply the text wrapping. So all the text visible formatted in the node cell style the necessary and select the A13. So A13 press enter and home tabs, alignment groups and click the wrap text. So home tabs and alignment groups and click the wrap text. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the wrap text. And next is apply the conditional formatting solid blue data bars H7 to H11 to represent the relative daily cost for each sport. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. And next is apply the conditional formatting solid blue data bars represent daily cost of each supplement. So solid blue data bars, go to the counters and click the conditional and solid blue data bars. Solid blue data bars. Copy the range H7 to H11, paste the range and conditional formatting solid fill blue data bars, click OK. And next is select the H7 to H11. So next is H7 to H11 and press enter. On the home tab, style groups and click the conditional formatting button and point to the data bars. Conditional formatting and data bars in the blue data bar in the solid fill groups. Conditional formatting and solid fill blue data bars. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete SIMnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.